y'all think about your first time seeing snow? Look at all that snow. That's a lot of snow, huh? Look, it's all over Daddy's truck. I see your feet prints. That's a lot of snow coming down.
Yeah, I wish I could make a snowman. I wish I could make a snowman. Ooh, they feel like ice.
It's cold, huh?
Yeah, they feel like ice.
Put it in your mouth. Go. Till you get one.
They're too nasty, I can't get them.
Oh.
Yep.
You got one?
I had one on my hand and I tasted yummy. Daddy, I can't get one. We'll get one on your hand then. A big one. Like you can get on the ground and then eat it. Yum.
Having fun yet?
Yep. Well, I catch the big one. Whoa, it's too cold. Look! When I step on the snow, see? See? When I step on it, it just...
Kind of weird, huh?
Too cold. Look. Feel my hands.
Are they
Feel
cold?
my hands. They're cold.
Oh, I can't. I got gloves on. I'm smart. You got it all in your hair, Hunter.
I do? Yes, I do. Because it's on my hair. Because it's raining before.
Snow's cold, huh?
Yeah. And look. It can turn.
I can see your foot. I see your footprint.
What? We step. You see? That's how I made the footprint.
Hunter, come here.
Can I bring this thing in the house? Hey, I can.
No, you can't take it in the house.
And I put snow on it.
You did?
Yeah. Can you feel my hands?
Is it cold?
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to feel your hands if they're cold.
Can you feel my hands? Ooh, nice shot. Ha! One was on my nose.
You got on your nose.
One did. Ha! No, I'm not doing that in front of them. Missed you, huh?
Mm-hmm. I moved.
Yeah. That's what
Hey, Hunter! Stop running out there.
What?
Nothing. What's wrong? Your hand's cold?
Yeah, I want to go back in the house.
Okay, let's go in the house.
No, wait. I'm not.
No, you're going in the house. Let's move it.